Hello and welcome to GetWork. In this video, we'll learn how the training and placement officers of a college can use GetWork platform. First of all, go to the website, that is getwork.org, and then go to the login part. You must have received your login credentials by your account manager. Please feel free to connect in case of any discrepancies. Now I am using this demo account to show you how GetWork is helpful for your college. The home page of training and placement officers. This dashboard is an analytics platform to check exact status of your placement records, incoming companies, job opportunities, skill sets of your students, etc. Basically, this homepage is a mini report every TPO would like to see before initiating placement drives. Explore Now button. This homepage comes with an Explore Now option to help colleges find best job and internship opportunities for their students with appropriate filters. It lets you choose more suitable jobs for your college as per your preferences of CTC, location, industry, etc. The additional feature of blogs keep the training and placement officers up to date with major hirings happening around India, especially in the EdTech and HR Tech industry. Before starting with using the platform, let's know about some basic settings first. User settings. This settings is only for the training and placement officer who will be the admin of the platform. It requires the personal details of the training and placement officers in this section. Edit experience requires the previous experience, if any, of the training and placement officers so that their alma mater and colleagues, if are there on GetWork, they can get in touch easily and immediately. Referrals. If you have any referral code for GetWork, then of course it is shown in this referral section. Change password. Change your passwords timely for privacy and security from this section. Then we go to college public profile. This is how a college public profile looks like. College public profile. GetWork allows you to create your mini website that is visible to GetWork verified candidates and companies. Add about your college, the message you want to share to the recruiters, the courses and specializations offered by your college. After the completion of college settings, this is how your mini website on GetWork looks like. Feel free to take the help of your account manager to create your mini website. In college settings, the complete details of the college and the courses offered are automatically filled in from the previous sections. Preferences. Preferences section enables TPOs to fill in preferences with respect to minimum and average CTC for your college. You can add the message for the recruiters here. Then comes the preferences about the kind of jobs you want to open in the college. Select the job segment according to the courses offered by your college so that the recruiters only open the jobs according to the courses offered by your college. Exam session and placement session. Let the recruiters know about your exam season and your placement season so that the companies reach out to you during your placement season only. It is very easy to upload your students' data on GetWork. If you have the data already prepared in an Excel, then prepare the data in this format. Click here to download the sample file. Fill in the contents of the sample file and then upload it here. You can also take the help of your account manager to complete this process. Your students' data will be reflected on GetWork within the next 2 to 3 hours. From this process, their accounts will be automatically created and they will get an email notification for the same. Ask your students to open their accounts and fill in their personal and professional details. A complete GetWork profile increases the chances of the students to be shortlisted by the recruiters. In order to see the complete details of your student, go to the connections section and then go to students. Here you can see the complete details of your students along with their resumes. The jobs section. The job section is divided into recommended jobs, available jobs, live jobs, and closed jobs. Recommended jobs includes all the jobs that are recommended by GetWork platform to you. These recommendations are completely based upon the preferences set by the training and placement officers. Available jobs. Available jobs includes all the jobs and internships that are available on GetWork platform. In order to accept the job, we have to click on accept button. You need to have at least 500 credits for this action. Proceed, and the job gets accepted. Now you can share these jobs on any of the social media platform to your students. Simultaneously, whenever you accept the job, your students are given an app notification as well as an email notification that a job is open in their college and they can apply through their respective GetWork account. Live jobs. Live jobs includes all the jobs that are live in your campus currently. It includes the GetWork jobs as well as the job posted by self. Closed jobs includes all the jobs on which the hiring procedure is completed or are being closed by the campus or the HRs. Applicant status. This feature is designed to ensure transparency between HRs and the training and placement officers. With GetWork, TPOs are well informed about all the action taken by the HR. Let's see the example. Select the job which you want to track. Check all the applications that are received on this job. Now, TPOs can do the first shortlisting from GetWork and decide which student should go in the next round or which student should not. Let's see an example. All the students that have applied on this job comes in the applied section. With GetWorks, TPO can do first shortlisting by themselves. Let's see how. Check the profile of the student. You can also download their resume by pressing this button. If you think the candidate is perfect for the job, move the candidate to the next step. If you think the candidate is not good for the job, then you can reject him with the feedback. All the students that are shortlisted by the training and placement officer comes in the waitlisted section. The HRs can only see the students who are in the bucket of waitlisted section. With GetWork, you can keep a check on students applying on multiple jobs and restrict them from giving interviews in multiple companies. The training and placement officer as well as the student can see in the real time and gets notified in the real time whether the student is rejected or is moving to the other rounds of interview. All the students who are rejected by the recruiters will be shown in the rejected bucket. On GetWork, it is mandatory for the HRs to fill in the feedback while they are rejecting the students. This helps the students to know exactly why they were rejected and upgrade their skills. The interviews section. In the interviews section, the training and placement officers can see when and where is the interview scheduled by the recruiters. The same notification also goes to the students of your college. So we'll start with invite companies. Invite companies section give you details of the GetWork verified companies. You can directly connect with them or you can invite them to hire from your campus. Press the connect button. You will be charged 50 GetWork credits for this action. Proceed. Here you go. Now you get the email ID and the contact details of the HR of this company. You can also invite the company's HR to your campus, add a note here and send the invite. The status of your invites can be seen in the connections section. If the company has accepted your connection, then it comes in the connected bucket. If the connection has not been accepted yet, then it comes in the pending bucket, or if the company has rejected your invite, then it can be seen in this rejected bucket. This section contains the reports that gives you a measurable insights of your campus placements. These are the following reports on GetWork portal. Leads by industry. This graph shows all the industries that visited your campus, giving you an insight of industries going for major campus hirings. Companies yearly visit report. This is a detailed report of all the companies that visited your campus. CTC yearly report. It shows the summary of detailed report of maximum CTC and average CTC placement report. This report shows percentage of students placed department-wise. Skills report. This graph shows skills of your college students. By knowing the skills of your college students, you can invite companies in campus accordingly. Job opening report. This report tells number of jobs opened in which courses and the percentage of students placed out of the total. These are the basic reports prepared by GetWork. You can add customized reports as per your requirements. Feel free to reach out to your account manager for any kind of customization.